So now that our head is complete, and we were sure to line up all the pipe cleaners really close together, that way it gives it a really solid effect. Even though our fish has a lot of air running through it, it's going to allow spaces for us to attach different things like tissue paper, other embellishments, things like that. We use the purple for the fins, so I'm going to use the green, the orange, and the pink for the body. And we're going to continue doing the body the same way that we did the head, where we wrapped on one end and brought it around to the other, allowing that extra space for the shape of the fish's body, and then pulling it back down again, remembering to allow the space. And we want to plan out where these colors are going to go. I think it's best to do a block of color. So we're going to do a green block, an orange block, and a pink block, cutting off the excess. The green will start there. We'll start the orange in the center. And I'm doing this just to give you an idea of where everything's going to go. We're going to bring it back down through the fin. And this part of the body is going to be a little bit wider since it's the thick middle section. So we want to allow for that. Rounding it out, just curving it, and tightening it around the edge of the body. Bringing it back through, and if it will reach, we'll attach it on the other side. We're going to do the same thing with the pink. The pink is going to start from the tail and work its way in. We're going to continue to do that until we have a nice solid body.